The electric vehicle market is about to be shaken up. Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced the Tesla Model 2 Redwood, launching in 2025 at $17,579, the most affordable Tesla to date, making EVs accessible to a much wider audience, a game changer for the entire industry, undercuts the competition significantly, aligns with Tesla's mission for sustainable energy, easier for consumers to choose electric, expected to be a compact crossover, smaller than Model 3, larger than Mini Cooper, practical and stylish without the hefty price tag. Excitement is truly palpable, potential to revolutionize the entire automotive industry. Initially, the Tesla Model 2 Redwood was slated for production at Tesla's Gigafactory in Mexico. This decision was based on several factors, including the strategic location and the potential for cost savings in manufacturing. However, recent developments have led to a change in plans. The global economic landscape is constantly shifting, and companies must adapt to stay competitive. The ongoing trade war and tariffs imposed by the United States have prompted Tesla to shift production to Giga, Texas. These tariffs have made it increasingly expensive to import goods from Mexico, affecting the overall cost structure. This move comes as no surprise. Tesla has always been proactive in responding to external challenges and seizing new opportunities. Tesla aims to maximize efficiency and minimize production costs. By consolidating operations in Texas, the company can streamline its supply chain and reduce logistical complexities. By building the Model 2 Redwood in the United States, Tesla can avoid costly tariffs. This strategic move will also allow the company to take advantage of local incentives and support. This will help keep the price down for consumers. Affordable pricing is crucial for the success of the Model 2 Redwood, as it aims to capture a broader market segment. Prototypes of the Model 2 Redwood have already been spotted undergoing testing. These early tests are essential for refining the design and ensuring the vehicle meets Tesla's high standards. This indicates that development is well underway. Engineers are working tirelessly to bring this new model to market as quickly as possible. Tesla is known for its rapid development cycles, so a 2025 launch date seems entirely plausible. The company's ability to innovate and execute swiftly is one of its key strengths. The company is investing heavily in its production capabilities. This includes not only physical infrastructure but also advanced technologies and workforce training. This includes the expansion of Giga, Texas to accommodate the production of the Model 2 Redwood. The new facilities will be state-of-the-art, designed to support high-volume manufacturing and ensure quality. To achieve its ambitious price point, Tesla is employing a clever strategy: component sharing. The Model 2 Redwood will share a significant number of components with its sibling, the Cybertruck. This includes the rear motor, chassis, and battery pack. Sharing components offers several advantages. It streamlines production, reduces manufacturing costs, and simplifies the supply chain. By leveraging existing technology and resources, Tesla can bring the Model 2 Redwood to market quickly and efficiently. This approach allows Tesla to allocate more resources to research and development. Ultimately, this benefits consumers. They get a cutting-edge EV at an affordable price. The Model 2 Redwood is not just about being affordable, it's about pushing the boundaries of EV technology. Section 4. Built for affordability. Efficiency is key. Tesla's commitment to efficiency is evident in every aspect of the Model 2 Redwood's production. Tesla is leaving no stone unturned in its quest to make the Model 2 Redwood affordable. From the initial design phase to the final assembly, every step is meticulously planned. The company is rumored to be implementing innovative manufacturing techniques. These techniques are designed to streamline production and reduce costs. These include a single casting design similar to the Model Y. This method not only speeds up the manufacturing process, but also enhances the structural integrity of the vehicle. This process reduces the number of parts required and simplifies assembly. Fewer parts mean fewer potential points of failure, leading to a more reliable vehicle. Furthermore, Tesla is exploring the use of unconventional materials. These materials are not only cost-effective but also environmentally friendly. Paint-impregnated plastic panels are being considered for the body of the car. This innovative approach could revolutionize the way cars are built. This eliminates the need for a separate painting process. By integrating the painting process into the manufacturing, Tesla saves both time and resources. This saves time and money. The overall efficiency of the production line ensures that the Model 2 Redwood can be offered at a competitive price. The interior of the Model 2 Redwood is expected to follow Tesla's minimalist design philosophy. This design not only looks sleek, but also reduces manufacturing complexity. Expect a spacious cabin with a large touchscreen display and voice controls. These features are designed to enhance the driving experience. The focus will be on functionality and a seamless user experience. Tesla aims to make every interaction with the car intuitive and enjoyable. Section 5. Powering the future. Performance meets range. While the Model 2 Redwood may be Tesla's most affordable car, it's not compromising on performance or range. This vehicle is designed to offer a seamless blend of efficiency and power, making it an attractive option for a wide range of drivers. Early estimates suggest a range of 220 to 270 miles on a single charge. This makes it ideal for both city driving and longer road trips, ensuring you can go the distance without frequent stops. This impressive range is thanks to Tesla's cutting-edge battery technology, which continues to set industry standards. The Model 2 Redwood is rumored to utilize a new battery pack with 4680 cells. These cells are designed to be more efficient and longer-lasting, providing a reliable power source for the vehicle. This delivers both impressive range and performance, allowing the car to accelerate quickly and handle smoothly. Tesla understands that range anxiety is a major concern for EV adopters. The fear of running out of battery before reaching a charging station can be daunting. The Model 2 Redwood aims to alleviate those concerns by offering a dependable range and easy access to Tesla's extensive supercharger network. It offers ample range for daily commutes and weekend getaways, making it a versatile choice for various lifestyles. The Model 2 Redwood is expected to be available in both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations, catering to different driving preferences and conditions. This will cater to a wider range of driving preferences and needs, ensuring that there's a Model 2 Redwood for everyone. Section 6. Disrupting the market, a new era of EVs. The Tesla Model 2 Redwood has the potential to disrupt the automotive industry significantly. Its affordable price point could make EVs accessible to a much broader demographic. This would accelerate the transition to sustainable transportation. Tesla's ambitious production goals are no secret. The company aims to produce millions of vehicles per year. The Model 2 Redwood will play a crucial role in achieving this objective. The arrival of the Model 2 Redwood is sending ripples throughout the automotive world. Traditional automakers are scrambling to adapt. They are investing heavily in their EV offerings to compete with Tesla's aggressive pricing strategy. Section 7. Challenges and competition. The road ahead. While the Tesla Model 2 Redwood is generating immense excitement, it's not without its challenges. The EV market is becoming increasingly competitive. Established automakers and startups are vying for market share. Tesla will need to navigate a complex regulatory landscape. They will also need to ramp up production to meet the anticipated demand. The company has faced production delays in the past. Overcoming these challenges will be crucial for the Model 2 Redwood's success. Despite these challenges, the future of the Tesla Model 2 Redwood looks bright. It's offering an unparalleled combination of affordability, performance, and range. This has the potential to revolutionize the EV market and solidify Tesla's position as a leader in sustainable transportation.